Hey guys, welcome to Pinnacle Tech. Today I'm going to review yet another Apple's one of the most selling device, the iPhone XR. But first, let's look at its spec sheet. It's got an IPS LCD Retina display with 6.1 inch 1792 into 828 pixels with 120 Hz touch sampling, paired with an Apple A12 Bionic chipset with 7 nanometer processing with clock speed of 2.49 GHz, a 12 megapixel single camera system with f1.8 aperture which can record videos up to 4K 60 fps, and front camera is 7 megapixel with f2.2 aperture which can record up to 1080p 60 fps. It's got an 2942 mAh battery, which approximately is 3000 mAh battery. It comes with a 5-watt charger inside the box but can be charged up to 15 watts and wireless charging of 7 watts. And its goodies are Bluetooth 5.0, Face ID. It comes with an operating system of iOS 13.4 which can be upgradable to iOS 14, which will be revealed in the later this year. By looking at the specs sheet, it is a good performer even today. Build quality is so good, like obviously this is made up of aluminum glass. Display is a contradicting factor where it is above 720p display and below 1080p, paired with an IPS LCD display. You know what low resolutions mean? We can get a longer battery life. Like, I wasn't expecting this kind of results, but I was getting 1.5 day of battery on regular usage and one complete day with heavy usage. At the end of the day, I would have about 20% of battery left, which is great for approximately 3000 mAh battery. Coming to the display, you won't notice a difference because the display panel used is high quality panel and it's quite bright for an LCD display. Coming to the camera, it's a perfect camera, even it comes with only a single camera module. Even though all the magic is done in image processing where Apple A12 Bionic chipset is perfect at. Looking at in this shot, the image is quite accurate with respect to the real world. Dynamic range is awesome as you would expect with an iPhone. The performance is up to the standards of 2020 where it performs good comparing to the flagships of 2020. There isn't much to complain about this phone except the fact that it doesn't include fast charger in the box and the fact that its display is low resolution. And it has no headphone jack, which is quite common to not to include headphone jack. Now let's move on to the gaming review. Let's launch Fortnite. I am connected to the proper Wi-Fi connection, so it will not take enough time. Let me just load the Fortnite. And this is an idea to give how much the game takes to load in this phone. Considering it is an Apple A12 Bionic chipset, it will load fast.
इस पे देखो माइक ऑन नहीं करना होता है
Okay, let me just play solo. The speakers are stereo speakers, so it is a nice experience with the stereo speakers. You may get more informative where the enemy is heading. As far as the FPS is concerned, I have set it in the 30 FPS. I can go way up to 60 FPS. The phone tends up to heat a bit. So this Fortnite is running smoothly. So let me play for some time and just get out of here. So let me just, as you can see, the Fortnite is running very well. So let's go to the PUBG Mobile now. The phone is heating in a bit here in the camera portion, so you should be aware of that. It has done some updates, so let's launch it. Let me play one match. This is the first time me playing a PUBG Mobile in iPhone. Let's go to the settings now. Graphics. So I've kept it in HDR and Ultra Extreme. FPS is quite stable in this one, so not a big deal. I am getting an FPS of about 55 to 60 FPS. So it is still a great phone even into 2020, where iPhone SE is also a direct competitor to the iPhone XR. But in terms of battery, the iPhone XR is one of the best iPhones out there. So got a hit of an enemy. So let me just hit him. So this is an idea how the PUBG plays in this iPhone XR. The back is heating a lot. Obviously this is made up of aluminum and glass, so it will heat. So that's been it for the gaming review. That's been it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Please subscribe and turn on the notification.